Tap water around the world contain traces of harmful chemicals like pesticides and pharmaceuticals, as well as heavy metals and now more than ever, microplastics. In many countries, it's not even drinkable, and in others, the quality is getting worse. This isn't water. Water is pure. Water is delicious and refreshing. Water is life. We need water the way it should be, clean, refreshing, and good for our bodies. And with a Coldstream filter system, that's what you get. Water as it should be, with 99.9% of all contaminants removed, with healthy salts and electrolytes preserved, and full of natural, refreshing taste. So delicious, you can drop that bottled water from your weekly shop. Better for the environment and for your bank balance. Our high-performance ceramic filters last up to 6 months each, so you can enjoy healthier, tastier water every day without the hassle. When it's time to replace, we're here to send a new one straight to your door. And unlike plastic jug filters which go straight to the landfill, you simply pop the plastic ends in the recycling and the ceramic filter in the compost bin. Another tick for the planet. When it comes to installation, our elegant, space-saving under-counter unit can be installed in under an hour with a little help from your local plumber. And the countertop unit, perfect for rental properties, can be installed by yourself in under 10 minutes. No electricity required. The mains water pressure does the work for you. Engineered and made in the UK using renewable energy sources, our ceramic filters not only deliver the cleanest, tastiest water when you need it, they're also sustainable and 95% plastic free. And we're not stopping there. By 2025, we aim to be 100% plastic free. If you're ready to enjoy healthier, tastier water every day, visit the product section of our website. Coldstream, healthier, tastier water for the world.